Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to find your user ID in Free Fire Max. To find your user ID in Free Fire Max, first of all, launch the game open on your device and from the main screen, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up the gallery section where you will see your name and your user ID on the right hand side. Your user ID will be displayed next to UID level. You can tap on the ID in order to copy it on your clipboard and share it whenever needed. Your user ID is unique and helps support teams track your account for troubleshooting. If you need to share your user ID for giveaways or tournaments, it's also a key identifier. With your user ID, you can participate in events or troubleshoot with customer support, enjoy the game with your unique identity. So that's how you easily find user ID on Free Fire Max. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you never miss out another Free Fire Max tips and tricks. I will be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.